Today we are going to show you some of my Team Rocket's Mewtwo EX box. Last video we done the Eevee
Evolution.
Still all the box right there, but this I think I'm gonna get something insane. I just got a feeling that I'm getting something insane.
I hope so. Okay.
First, let's start with the guarantee cards that we can see. What? I'll show you some of the cards. Here's some cards. I'm just wondering how to get these out.
Shall I do that while you're doing it? Oh, there you go.
Big brain. Big brain. Ooh, Team Rocket's Meowth. We got Team Rocket's Gyodla. And then Meowth. This is what I was excited for.
And that's it in giant. So cool. Okay.
I've got quite a lot of these, just saying. And also, it isn't only these boxes that you can get these. They have started doing these big packets of cards.
So there are 4 packets, but 3 different types. So there are 2 of these. Then you've got Journey Together, and then what's that one? Paradox, does it say?
Paradox Rift. But they're all Scarlet Witch, Scarlet and Violet. Jinx.
Because I love Scarlet Witch. He's getting them muddled. Yeah, and you like the little selfie Polaroid. Okay, which one are we opening first?
We've got to go with the big boy. This is a lot harder than I expected.
Should I pre-open them?
Got it. So first, Team Rocket's Watchtower. Nice. Medicum. Fat legs. Misty's Psyduck. Nice. I thought that was just a trainer card to heal or something. Dipplin.
Oh, cute.
Team Rocket's Fluffy. Ooh! We got a legendary. This is on Pokemon Go. This is a legendary on Pokemon Go. Nice, nice. Articuno. Nice.
That is cool. Let's see.
So we got a basic energy. Heat Rotten. Impidimp. Nice.
Oh my goodness, that is adorable.
Shroomish. Another legendary. Skarmory. Okay, nice. So that's the first pack. We've got 2 legendaries, so pretty happy about that one.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, next pack.
Next pack. Journey Together. Already opened. Already see an insane card. So Excavate. Nice. Brock Scouting. If you've seen the Mewtwo movie, and all the Pokemon people, you know who this is. It's Ash's friend. Ooh, that's really cool. But Volcarona. Oh, that's pretty cool.
I have a deck with those in.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's time to get to
I'm not allowed to peek, apparently.
the.
Oh, that's cute.
I'm starting to get a lot of EXs. I didn't have that many before. I used to have GXs, Vs, and all that. VMAXs, Gigantamaxes. Palooza EX. Nice. Got our first good card of the day. Well, not the first one, because we had some better ones earlier.
That is a gorgeous card, isn't it? Look at that. Look at the shine on it.
I think that's probably the shiniest card I ever have. It's just, look at the shine on that. I mean, probably not the shiniest, but crazy shine.
It's gorgeous.
Psychic Energy. Shelmet. Nice. There's like one just giant blank bit there. At least put him in the middle. Rockruff. Get in there. Caterpie. I got Caterpie. Magma. Got a deck of them.
You do. Okay, next.
Fingers crossed I get a good card like earlier.
Is there a good one in there? His little face.
Let's go!
Okay.
We've got some good cards in there. Ooh. This is a game that you start. This is the game that you can start with this Pokemon. It's Fuecoco. Honage. Got so many of them. Dwebble. Horsey. It's not really a horse though. Dorant. If that's
I'm
big
excited to see what this card is. That made your face light up.
I feel like it should be in that one.
Oh.
I'm not saying it's an EV evolution. It's not an EV evolution. But it's similar to the other cards in there. I already got this, but the other one was shiny.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
We've got some new ancients. Okay.
Ancient Earther Vessel. Medical Energy.
Oh. Medical Energy. Let's see.
These last three cards are...
When you attach it from your hand, heal 30 damage from that Pokemon. That's pretty handy.
Origin. Explode. And this is why I said it should belong in there. Because it is a crystal one, like the ones in there.
Oh, prismatic.
Frostlass EX.
That is a beautiful card, isn't it? Wow. Okay. Last pack. Hang on.